see. No. Wow. What's inside? And look, we have it. This is a car. This is an also car. This is a car. This is a car. And you see, there's so many cars right here. Is this a plastic? No. Sorry, but it is not me. Whoops. What is it? I don't know how this plastic I see. Whoops, what? Not fun. This is a car. This is a car too. This is a car. Two more other side. Yeah, we have a car. Okay, let's count these. Red, blue, yellow, red, green, purple. Gray car, black, gray, black, pink, white, blue. Almost done. Oh, he's ready. Let's count the cars. 1. Whoops, no. 2. Oops, that's not. 2. 3. 4. 5. And not black. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. The 12 cars. The cars go right round and 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 look, the cars fly. Red, blue, yellow, green, red, blue, white, pink, purple, black, purple, gray. Now what's the cars again? If you like video, please like, share.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.